borrow the growing needs for food production, yet still respect the needs of the land? Some of the answers are being discovered just ahead. To help us maintain these carefully controlled ecosystems, and for your safety, please remain seated in your boat at all times.
Welcome to our glimmering greenhouses, where scientists from EPCOT and the U.S. Department of Agriculture illuminate the wondrous gifts we receive from the land. Join us as we bring in the most bountiful time of the year. For some, it's difficult to imagine the holidays without winter and snow, but one of the most important holiday crops actually grows in the tropics. For centuries, farmers in Central America have cultivated cacao to make chocolate. In fact, cacao is chocolate's main ingredient. Today, people around the world are able to enjoy a variety of sweets and keep warm with a cup of hot cocoa, thanks to this tropical plant.
But seafood is an essential part of many festive meals. In parts of Southern Italy, various foods gather once a year to celebrate flies. The seven course seafood with tilapia, bass, and shrimp like the ones raised here using our sustainable water systems, and not just some dishes served during this grand meal. Today, in the United States, the tradition is known as the Feast of the Seven Fishes. Citrus, like the oranges grown here, are common in Florida, but in Northern Europe, where fresh fruit is rare in winter, they're much harder to find, making them an extra special stocking stuffer. During Chinese New Year, these vibrant fruits are given as gifts of good fortune. They say it's better to give than to receive. And in this greenhouse, we're celebrating the holidays by giving back to the land using innovative farming techniques. By recycling water, we can give plants rich nutrients. By giving plants ladybugs, we're able to control pests and reduce the need for pesticides. And by growing ground plants vertically, we give them better protection from disease.
Many of the plants you see here help spice up the holidays. The bark of cinnamon trees, like the one growing beside you, is used to make cinnamon sticks. Do you like eggnog? You can thank nutmeg for its signature taste. Other spices, like ginger and vanilla, add flavor to a variety of holiday cookies, cakes, and other delights. By cultivating these festive plants with care and good cheer, EPCOT scientists are able to celebrate the holidays with the land's many gifts. These greenhouses represent just a fraction of the work being done worldwide to produce bountiful harvests for our growing population. Scientists, farmers, and even backyard gardeners are doing their part to improve the quantity and quality of foods that we all rely upon.
Introducing the ultimate way to elevate your Disney experience. Imagine dining like never before, right in the heart of the magic. Our custom-made tablecloths for Disney trash cans are designed to bring you a dining experience that's simply extra. Elevate your special moments even further with matching napkins, eco-friendly flatware, and the ambience of a charming candlestick. Choose from a wide range of enchanting Disney-themed patterns that resonate with your favorite stories. Whether you're having a romantic dinner, a family gathering, or simply want to make festival snacking special, our tablecloths are here to transform your moments into picture-perfect magical memories. Elevate your Disney experience today. Visit our website and bring the extra to your table because every moment can be a magical moment.